What's up, guys, and welcome to my review and unboxing and first impressions of this Husqvarna 130C gas trimmer. Now, as far as unboxing goes, this is all you have to do. This is just, around there, you take it off and it's unboxed. You could see it does not have a gas cap, but the gas cap is in the box. There's what you get. There's a gas cap. What else do we get? We get a thing of Husqvarna oil. We've got a lot of that and a bunch of literature, blah, blah, yada, yada, pretty much the stuff that comes with everything new that you buy. So you might ask yourself, why a new string trimmer? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5 that work. I've got more that don't work. So I got this simply because of its light. It's smaller than my other Husqvarna. And it's light, it's nimble. It does not have the split shaft, so all you're ever going to do with this is trim weeds. So, I mean, that's pretty much why I got it, because it's simple. Oh my goodness. Simple, agile, light, small. Oh, it does have the captured screw for the air filter. I really appreciate when they do that. It's got a funky... I mean, it's pretty stout, but it's a funky choke. But let's put it together. Let's put some fuel in it and see how she starts. Now, I do keep a can of premix just for the Husqvarna 50-to-1 on hand at all times, because I use a few different Husqvarna 2-stroke things. My goodness, it holds quite a bit of fuel. Wow. Does that gas tank go all the way across the bottom? No, oh, it does. Ooh, wow. Okay. Who wants to bet how long it's going to take to start? How many pulls? I'm going to reposition you guys. You can see my mess, and we'll see how long this takes, how many pulls it takes. Now I'm going to, just for poops and giggles, I'm going to use the primer bulb for the first time, like I've done with all my Husqvarna stuff, and then hopefully after that it'll never need it again. Alright, set the choke. Here, let's put it over here so you guys can probably see more. Let's see what happens. Oh. Oh. Was that 3? Who guessed 3? That's why I like Husqvarna stuff. I mean, listen to that. Well, sounds good, feels good, runs good. Now we'll go out and do some cutting with it. Okay, it's just a plastic. It almost looked like the fuel tank was cracked. Whew, that worried me a little bit. We'll go out and do some cutting with it. This video is not cutting, and I just realized you guys can't even see me. We're not cutting in this video, I'll tell you that right now. I'm going to do a more in-depth first impression once I get there, but for now I like it. It's going to be easy, small, convenient, and it's going to go great with my, I think it's a 128 BL That's my split shaft, straight shaft Husqvarna. So yeah, I like it. It's stout. It starts, and I think it's going to be a great addition. Thanks a million for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.